everybody, today I'm going to show you how to make a slushy slime. This is a slushy slime tutorial, and I'm also going to give a shout out to slimequeen1234. Please check out her channel. Okay, let's get started. What you're going to be needing is laundry detergent. I'm using Tide. Glue, any type of glue you want. I'm just using clear glue because that's all I have for now. You're also going to be needing something to mix with, which I'm using a fork from a Play-Doh set, a bowl, Bicon Crystals face-knitted beads that I got from Walmart, and I think it will make good slushy slime, and some coloring, any type of coloring you want. Okay, so put in your glue in your bowl, and you could add your desired amount. I'm just using I probably used the whole glue because there's not much. And then I added my paint in, any type of paint you want. I'm just using this color red, and I have laundry detergent with me that is colored blue, which will make my slime purple. So add in your laundry detergent and mix it up, and add in as much as you want. Well, not as much as you want, as you go. As you can see in here, I'm starting to need this because I was starting to feel like it was starting to become into slime and it doesn't need more detergent. But it actually does need more detergent after that. It actually needed a lot. Now for the exciting part, the Bicon crystals. So I'm just pretending like this is actually slushy beads. So anyway, I'm mixing this in, and it's actually pretty fun. And I'm not going to talk in this anymore because I want you guys to listen to how satisfying it sounds like. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you subscribe and like, and I love to read your comments. And please check out my Instagram account at Zahara Slimes. Thank you. Bye.